Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to watch anime for free. And this is going to be a no bullshit guide. So the first thing that you're going to do is navigate to any browser on your PC or your mobile phone, go to the search bar and simply type in hi anime. Hit enter. Now navigate to this site that is hianime.to. So click on this website. This is going to open up this page. Here you're going to just enter the name of anime you want to watch. So when you will click on this, it will redirect you to another page. So what you're going to do is simply cut out that page and come back to this page. Now go to the search anime section and type in the name of the anime you want to watch and click on the search icon. After that, you will see a list of anime appearing just right here. Now you can see I have all these episodes related to One Piece. You will have to just click on that anime and this is going to quickly open that anime. As you can see, this is pretty simple and easy to access. And that's the simple way you can watch anime for free. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.